horses and we have Mr. Environment as to begin my jumping. Moving up on the outside is high earnings. In this gift, joining them, Epira, Gracious Host, Muskrat, running by the release Cold Hearted, and Mr. Environment going along for the first turn. We have high earnings running on the outside. My jumping is running by Drell. About 3 wide comes in this gift. 2 lengths away in fourth, Epira, then followed by Muskrat, Cold Hearted, Mr. Environment, and Gracious Host. They swing into the back. We have My Jopeng by about 2 lengths. High earnings still in second. In this keep alongside third, Epira now trying to get closer in fourth, then followed by Muskrat. Next on line is Mr. Environment, Gracious Host, and Cold Hearted. My Jopeng, high earnings moving up in this keep. Epira joining them on the outside. This time we have high earnings in this gift. Epira moving up on the outside third as they come down at the last 150. In this gift, high earnings moving up. Epira on the outside. Epira running on the outside. In this gift, high earnings running by Drella. In this gift, high earnings. Epira is on the outside. Epira moving up on the outside in this gift. Is now Epira. In this game is running by Drella. Epira entering the finish line. Jackie K.E. Malapira. Epira in this game. Then comes high earnings. Mr. Environment.
Ayun. 8-6.